Good afternoon everyone. I'm Cadet Guevara. I will explain the Chapter 5, the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, or SOLAS. Chapter 5 outlines regulation governing the safety of navigation and related maritime operation. Regulation 33 is special, addresses the responsibilities of the master and crew regarding the safe operation of the ship, emphasizing the need for effective communication and cooperation among crew members. So, the Regulation 33 mandates that the master must ensure the safety of the ship by establishing a safety management system that promotes safe navigation and health of the crew. In SOLAS Chapter 5, Regulation 33 requires that the master of the ship, upon receiving distress signal, must assist person in danger unless it would be put their own ship or crew in serious danger. An unhealthy ship, meaning one that is poorly maintained, poses risks not only in fulfilling such responsibilities, but also impacts daily operation and the safety of crew and passengers.